Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in this video we will understand how to create row level formula in Salesforce report. To better understand, let's take a scenario. So in this scenario we want to create detailed report to calculate year to date sales for each opportunity. Basically we want to calculate how much revenue generated throughout the year for each opportunity. For that we will create a report. In that report we will add row level formula that calculate year to date sales by checking if close date is within the current year and calculating the opportunity amount accordingly. So watch the video till end and don't miss any step. After that you can also create row level formula in your Salesforce report. And if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so whenever we post any new video you will get update. Now without any delay, let's jump to the Salesforce org. To navigate the report tab, here you can see app launcher, click on it and then search for reports. Click on reports. Now we are going to create new report. For that, here you can see new report button, click on it. Then in the report type we need to search for opportunities because we are going to create report on opportunity object. Then click on opportunities and then click on start report. Now first you will see limited records. To add more records we need to remove default filter. To remove the default filter, click on this filter tab and then here you can see close date field, click on it. Now in the range of this close date field we need to select all time so that all time records will be added to this report and then click on apply. Now all records has been added to this report. Now first we will remove unnecessary columns. For that click on this outline and then here we don't need owner role. I am removing this field. Then opportunity owner. You can remove this field by clicking on this drop down. Here you can see remove column, click on it. And then I am removing this probability field. Age. Then next step also we don't need. Here I am removing this. Lead source. Then type. Created date also we don't need. Now we want to calculate the amount of each opportunity throughout the year. So for that we need to create row level formula. To create the row level formula, here you can see columns. As you click on this drop down, here we have option add row level formula. Click on it. And this is very important. We can create a row level formula only in Salesforce Lightning. That means we cannot create row level formula in Salesforce Classic Edition. Now we need to enter the label for the column where we display total amount of revenue throughout the year of each opportunity. So here I am entering year to date sale. You can provide description. Then as you click on formula output type, here you can see here we have a number, date, then date and type and then text. Here I have selected number and then in the decimal point you can change it. So here I am selecting 1 as a decimal point. Then we need to create formula. For that in the formula editor, here I am entering if year then close date. The close date is the opportunity field equals and then year of today. After the semicolon. Then here we need to add amount field. For that here you can see here we have amount field, click on it and then click on insert. After adding amount, comma and then 0. So let me explain this formula. This formula checks if the year of close date is equal to year of today. That means if the close date field year is equal to the current year, today function returns current date or year. If the close date year and current date year is equal, then it will return amount, otherwise 0. And then click on apply. Now here you can see year to date sale column that we created in the formula has been applied in the report. Now let's create another row level formula. For that again click on this column. So before that let me remove this row level formula, the column that we created. remove column. And now again click on this add row level formula. So here I am entering combine fields. Now formula output type we need to select text because we are going to display text, and then we need to build formula. So first we need to add opportunity name. So here I am adding opportunity name and then click on insert. After that we need to add AND operator, which is used to concatenate two string, and then double quote comma double quote for space, again AND operator. And now we need to add amount field, but here you can see in the formula output type we have selected text and the amount field is number or currency. So we need to typecast this number field to the text. For that we need to add text function, and then in this text function we need to add amount field. So here I am searching amount field. Here we have amount and then click on insert. Then check the syntax, it's valid, and then click on apply. And now here you can see the combined field columns has been successfully created. In that we have displayed two columns, opportunity name and then amount. So in this way we can use row level formula in Salesforce report. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so whenever we post a new video you will get update. Thank you.